Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Cooking in Project Zomboid isn't just about survival, it's about thriving. By preparing your own meals, you significantly boost your character's happiness and reduce negative moodlets, making you more efficient. It also helps prevent food poisoning from raw or spoiled ingredients, keeping you healthy. Plus, creating complex dishes can provide powerful, long-lasting stat bonuses that are crucial for survival. It really transforms your gameplay experience. Before you even think about slicing a tomato, you need the right tools. Your essential items include pots and pans, which are surprisingly common in houses. A working stove or microwave is ideal for cooking indoors, but a campfire works perfectly well outside. Don't forget to gather a variety of fresh ingredients like vegetables and meat, along with crucial canned goods and even some spices for flavor. These are your building blocks. Once you have your gear, start simple. A great way to begin is by making a basic stir-fry or soup. Just combine 2 or 3 ingredients you found, like a cabbage, a potato, and some meat, into a pot. Add water if you're making soup for extra hydration, or a dash of oil if you prefer a stir-fry. These easy dishes are highly forgiving, perfect for new cooks, and they'll keep your hunger at bay without much fuss. As your cooking skill improves, so does the quality of your meals. Advanced dishes offer much more than just hunger relief. They provide substantial mood, endurance, and even strength boosts. Paying attention to portion sizes and only using the freshest ingredients will significantly impact the nutritional output. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices or condiments. They can drastically improve the flavor and even the stat benefits of your creations. You'll become a true culinary master. Food safety is paramount in the apocalypse. Always double-check the freshness of your ingredients. Cooking with rotten food will make you very sick, very fast. Stick to fresh produce or properly preserved items like canned goods. For storing your delicious creations or excess ingredients, utilize refrigerators and freezers whenever power is available. Jars are also fantastic for pickling or canning, providing long-term safe food options. Staying healthy is a key to survival.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.